you guys, welcome back to my garden. So today I'm going to plant up 2 gorgeous containers, and you'll definitely want to stay tuned to the end because I'm telling you, these containers, when you see them all planted up, you are going to want to know how I put the combination together. Let's get to it. Putting a little bit of, just a little bit of mesh wire in the bottom, a little bit of screen in there from my old window, and then I have my coffee filter here to assist with the dirt not falling out. So these are going to be on my table. Okay, so I'm going to actually have both of these planters sitting on my table, so let's go ahead and start with my first plant. To sit where I need it to sit, I'm going to have to rough up the roots a little bit. Okay, so now that I've done that, it goes down a little bit more, but I want to just so now you see the roots roughed it up a little bit. As you know, we gotta put our texture in there and also a pop of contrasting color. Just aesthetically. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to walk around to the front. I'm going to come in and I'm going to take this little small piece off right here. And so now that looks a lot better. And to top it all off, I actually have a cloche that's going to go around my arrangement. go over the plants that I use for these arrangements. So I use the fluffy arborvitae. It's the Western arborvitae. It's zones 5 to 8. So although all of these plants are perennial, since the fluffy arborvitae is only a zone 5 to 8 and I'm in a zone 6B, I won't be able to overwinter these outside, so I can bring them inside of my sunroom to give me a buffer. Also, I use a Invincible Limetta, I use the miniature rose, and then I also use the aster. All of these plants will be able to take lower temperatures as we head into fall. And yes, fall, because it technically is August, so this is the time that I start incorporating fall items into my garden, so you'll probably see a lot of fall containers from me. If you're not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe, and as always, I'll be showing you pictures later.